Good morning, everybody. My name is Rene Illescas with Team Rene, and this is Market Monday. We're going to talk about Oakville, Burlington, and Hamilton. A lot of people are asking if the market has started to shift a bit. Well, we're going to jump into that right now, and we're going to go through exactly what's happening with inventory and prices. So here we go. Let's start off by looking at Oakville. With Oakville, what we noticed from the previous month is that inventory is down 31%. So when we compare this to the previous year, this is huge actually. Big information is that last year, same time, there was actually more sales activity than this year, which is really interesting. Definitely because of inventory being lower, but perhaps maybe people are just taking some time off from purchasing and going away to the cottage. So it was down 52%. If we look at the prices for a detached house in Oakville and townhouse and condo, they're all up versus last year. Now, the slight decrease happened from last month. So the previous month in Oakville, it dropped just a little bit. It's hovering at 1,640,000. And for a townhouse, this one just went up a little bit versus the previous month. It went up to 1,091,000. The condo market, this one just dropped a little bit and it went to 646,500. So all in all, Oakville's been extremely well, still up quite a bit from last year. If we look at Burlington, so inventory, same trend here. We're noticing that the inventory went down from the previous month, so it went down 31%. If we look on the other side here and we compare it versus the previous year, it's actually pretty flat. So in terms of units sold, it went up around 6%. Now, if we look at pricing, the Burlington market, very, very positive still. Detached homes are up 16% versus the previous year. Townhouse market is up 25% and condos are up 16%. So in Burlington, though, what we did notice is the detached house market went down versus the previous month. We're now hovering around 1,232,000. The townhouse market did go up versus the previous month, and it's hovering around 910,000. Condo market went up slightly as well, and it's hovering around 572,000. So let's take a look at Hamilton. Now, this one, again, in terms of inventory, it's pretty consistent. It went down 29% versus the previous month. But if we look on the right side here, this one is different than Oakville and Burlington, where the units actually sold in 2021 are higher by almost 60% versus the previous year. So Hamilton has been nonstop over the last years, and since it's not slowing down. So if we look at Hamilton detached market and the townhouse market and condo, it's all green, meaning they're all up. The big one here is definitely the condo market. It's up about 38% versus the previous year, which is absolutely huge. The detached market versus the previous month, it's right around the same. It's around 690,000. Townhouse, you're around 750, and condos, you're around 439. Thanks for watching. I hope this information is useful. We love doing stats. We live and breathe stats at Team Rene. So if you've got any questions about the market in Oakville, Burlington, and Hamilton area, send us a message or DM us or email us at info@teamrene.ca. So thanks again. Have a great week, and we'll be in touch.